confessions of a luggage tester. Think flying pummels your pack? You may not trust the experience it experienced before you got it. Obviously you expect each zipper, tie, pivot, and handle on your bag to hold up under the pressures of flying. Be that as it may, you know who's truly recovered your Mike Mulvey, a quality designer at Travelpro International's trying office. Here, he unloads a portion of the mysteries of the exchange. What does a baggage analyzer do? The majority of Travelpro's items convey a lifetime guarantee, so it's my duty to run the majority of our gear lines and textures through a progression of demanding tests designed to reproduce the discipline a sack will look in reality. What are your most loved sorts of tests? Lifting a sack stacked with 70 pounds of stuff, and dropping it at 24 distinct introductions at below zero temperatures in under a moment for our cool split test. We additionally put each sack, and now and again those of contenders, on our handle jolting machine, which we call the Enforcer. I've seen the handles and shells of contenders $1,000 sacks break separated under that weight. By what method should budget travelers guard their stuff when voyaging? Subsequent to seeing the harm we incur on baggage testing, I pack fluids, resources, and sensitive things in the focal point of the sack to maintain a strategic distance from high effect. What's more, I really want to bear on my sacks to spare time, cash, and exertion. Got to ask, any pressing tips you've grabbed at work? Lay out everything before you begin pressing, so you can perceive what you need to put where. Utilize the sack space in the most intelligent way imaginable. Keep away from exhaust spaces. I even pack stuff inside my shoes, however you should constrain the sets of shoes you bring because of how overwhelming they are. Roll your easygoing garments to amplify space, and abstain from wrinkling. Put substantial things on the base, and collapse dress shirts in the top pocket to keep them sharp. Do you have individual contact with clients? We have guests to our test lab and repair focus in Boca Raton, Florida, and they're generally astonished at how thorough the testing is. Travelpro was the innovator of the first rollerboard bag, so when I'm at the airplane terminal, I frequently approach pilots and flight specialists to disclose to them what I do, and to request their lists of things to get for up and coming baggage accumulations.